In this video, I'm going to show you how to see block messages on iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first, let's open up settings and here scroll down until you find messages. Now there I can scroll down for a bit and there I can find blocked contacts. Just get into it, and here is the list of all blocked contacts that I have blocked previously on that device. I can swipe to the left on any of that contact and hit unblock to unblock that contact, because while this contact is blocked, I don't get any messages and any phone calls from that specific contact. And there is actually no way to see block messages from some phone number when this number is blocked. So the only way to start receiving messages and phone calls is to unblock some specific contact. Just swipe left and hit add unblock. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.